Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Evidence is like a clue that something is true. Scientists collect evidence through observations and experiments. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us. We need evidence to help us support our ideas. The more evidence we have, the stronger our idea is. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us. Evidence is like a clue that something is true. Scientists collect evidence through observations and experiments. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us.
Okay, Constanza and Ricardo, today is Friday. And on Fridays, we're going to make science. We are scientists, okay, Constanza? We're playing to be a scientist. And today, Constanza, as a scientist, what do we need to make an experiment? What do we need to make science? What do we need? What are these? This is a scientific method. Yes, here we have the scientific method, okay? So we're going to make a fast review about the scientific method just before we start, okay? We're going to make the scientific method review. Ready with your flashcards, Cons?
Ready.
Perfect. So you have your flashcards, okay?
Necesito tomar agua.
We're going to need our flashcards and we're going to observe the flashcards with the video, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. Let me just show you my screen.
Scientific method.
Scientific method.
Scientific method. Scientific method. Scientific method. Scientific method. Scientific method. Scientific. First, you make an observation of the world around. Take notes and record all the things that you found. Then you ask a simple question, something that you want to learn.
Perfect. Ready, scientist Constanza? Ready, scientist Ricardo? Okay, so today we're going to make an observation about something called gist. Have you heard about the gist, Constanza? I asked you to have gist. Here I have the gist. This one is the gist, Constanza. Okay, do you have the gist, Cons? Or baking soda? What do you have, Cons?
Baking soda.
You have baking soda? Okay, and do you have the gist or no gist?
This. This.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so we're going to make an observation, Constanza, about it, okay? We're going to open your baking soda or your yeast. We're going to open it. And we're going to pour a little in your hands, like this. Just a little. Okay, and now, Constanza, we're going to observe. Look, what color is it?
Blanco.
It's white. Is it small or big? ¿Está grande o chiquito? Small. It is very, very tiny. Yeah, it looks very, very tiny. And it looks like little prickles. Como chispitas. It looks like little prickles. You see, Cons? Now, can you smell it? Can you smell it? How does it smell? Smell it. Does it smell or no? Yes? Now feel it with your other finger. Now feel it. How does it feel? It is soft. Soft. Perfect, Constanza. Very good. Okay, ready, Cons?
Right.
Now that we have observed this one, we're going to look a little video with an example of our scientific experiment, okay, of today's experiment. So here we go, Constanza, pay attention to this video. We're going to pay attention, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. Let me just open it. Okay, here we go, Cons. Here we go, Constanza. Pay attention, okay, Cons?
Hi, Ori.
No.
Are you baking something? What are you making? It's a surprise. Can you give us a hint? Are you making something with yeast? That's so awesome! I have an idea. Odie, would you like to make an experiment with yeast? For this experiment,
time.
we need a plastic bottle, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of yeast,
Water.
Yeast.
and a balloon. Let's pour the sugar and the yeast in the warm water.
The warm water.
Pour the yeast mixture in the bottle. Let's place the balloon on the opening of the bottle. Now let's watch what happens. Wow, Odie, that was great! Odie, let's find out more about yeast. Yeast are living, single-celled organisms. Unlike your body that has about 100 trillion cells. Approximately 1,500 different species of yeast exist. And the type of yeast that is most commonly found in our kitchens is active dry yeast. The scientific name for active dry yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This yeast's favorite food is sugar. When yeast is poured over a mixture of sugar and warm water, they wake up and multiply. If the water is too cold, the yeast will not wake up. And if the water is too hot, it will kill the yeast.
We have to be very
As the
careful.
yeast digests the sugar, it releases carbon dioxide into the air, which fills up the balloon. When baking bread, the same reaction occurs, causing the dough to rise.
Delicious, Constanza. Yummy. We can bake. With the baking soda and the yeast, we can bake. Delicious.
Can anyone guess what Odie made? Cinnamon buns! Yummy!
Odie's art corner.
Perfect, Constanza. Are you ready to make science cones? Yes, ready for the experiment, Constanza?
See?
Okay, so here we go, cons. We're going to need a bottle. Vamos a necesitar una botella. We're going to need a bottle. I'm going to use this one because it has a very small hole. Yes. Perfect, Constanza. We're also going to need vinegar. Vinegar. Baking soda.
baking soda.
And if you have it, we're going to need yeast. If you don't have the yeast, it's okay. And perfect, Constanza. But no, we're going to only use the baking soda, okay? Lo vamos a hacer solo con baking soda para que sí nos funcione. Okay? So if you don't have the yeast, only baking soda, okay, Cons? And I ask you to have a balloon. Do you have a balloon, Constanza?
Así, así. Tengo el
Yes.
lobo.
Perfect. What are we going to do, Cons? We're going to fill the balloon with baking soda, okay? Le vamos a poner baking soda to our balloon, okay? We're going to fill the balloon with baking soda. Let's try it. You can do it with a spoon, like this. And with the spoon, you can fill it, okay? We're going to add 2 spoons of baking soda. Two spoons. Perfect, Cons. Or if you have a little filter or something that it might help you to fill it, it will be cool. But also the spoons work, okay?
¿Eso está bien?
Perfect, Constanza.
¿No?
You're going to fill almost the half of your balloon. It's going to be like the half of your balloon, okay? Perfect.
Aquí. A ver,
Okay, ready?
mira aquí. Aquí hay mucha soda. Mucha soda.
Ready, Constanza? Okay, Cons. Now, we're going to need your bottle and the vinegar. Okay, here we go. We're going to fill the bottle, okay, with 4 fingers of vinegar. Tú le vas a poner 4 dedos de vinagre, okay? 4 fingers of vinegar. Bless you.
Gracias.
Okay, ready, Cons? Okay, and now we're going to be very, very careful, okay? You're going to open your balloon and you're going to put it at the top of your bottle. Okay, and now we're going to count until 20. Okay, we're going to count up to 20. Don't turn it up. Do not turn it up, okay? We're going to count, okay, Constanza? And you're going to move. No. Let's see what is going to happen, Constanza. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ready, Constanza? At the count of 3, we're going to turn it up, okay? 1, 2, 3. Turn it up. Wow, Constanza, what is happening, Cons? Wow, Constanza, let me take you a picture.
¿Y el tuyo?
Here is mine, look. Oh. Whoa.
¿Qué le pasa a tu cabello?
Now shake it, shake it.
¿Qué le pasó?
What happened to yours, Constanza? Now move it. You're going to make more bubbles and more gas.
¿Viste cómo se hizo la nota mi lobo?
Yes. Why did it happen, Constanza? What do you think that happened here? The baking soda and the vinegar, they made oxygen. They made oxygen, so they inflate our balloon. Now our balloon has, ¿qué tiene nuestro balloon? What does it have in here?
Balloon. Me gusta
Yes.
el balloon.
We just inflate our balloon. What does it have in here? ¿Qué tiene adentro? What does it have in here? Oxygen. Oxygen. How do you blow your balloons? How do you blow a balloon? Exactly. You do it with your oxygen. And today we did it with vinegar and baking soda. Do you like it, Constanza? It was a cool experiment, right?
Ready soda y agua. Me gustaron con un lobo.
Yes, but it is water. It's water.
Lobo.
Was it water, Constanza? No. Oh, what was it? Vinegar. Vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar and baking soda. Very good, Constanza. Yes. So now, scientists, do you want to play with the balloon, Constanza? Do you want to play with it? Yes. Careful. You're going to take it off. And you're going to attach it. Okay. And now you have a balloon filled with vinegar and baking soda. You see? Now, in honor to you, Constanza, I'm going to make a happy face, a happy scientist balloon. Look. It's going to be a scientist. Look, here I have my scientist balloon. He is a scientist.
Mi mamá se la...
You see, this is a scientist. It's a scientist balloon, Constanza. What happened, Cons? You can do it again. Only add vinegar. Ponle vinagre a tu globo. Ahora ponle al revés. Add vinegar to the balloon. ¿Se rompió?
Es que el lobo lo hizo y luego, bueno.
Okay. Okay, you can do it again, Constanza, with more vinegar. Con más vinagre, with more vinegar or with more baking soda. Let me see which one. With more baking soda. Ponle más baking soda a tu balloon. More baking soda. And then pour it again here. And you will have more bubbles. Okay, in the same mix, you can add more baking soda and you're going to have more bubbles. So you're going to and more vinegar to your bottle. Add more vinegar to your bottle, exactly. So it will work better. Look.
Está blanquito.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Now. Yes. Oh, careful. It happened. What happened? You have again your balloon. Very good, Constanza. Wow, Cons. Are you surprised, Constanza? Constanza is excited and surprised. Very good, Cons. Very good, Constanza. Very good, Cons. Okay, so now we're going to clean up, okay, Cons? Scientist Constanza? While you finish your balloon, I'm going to start cleaning up, okay? And I'm going to ask Ricardo to share with us his pictures. Okay, here we go, Constanza.
Time to clean up, everyone.
Let's clean up, Cons.
Pick up our things.
Pick up your things.
Clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up. Time to clean up. Pick up. Everybody pick up, pick up. Everybody pick up, pick up. Everybody pick up. Time to pick up.
You have a balloon. Very good, Constanza. You finished cleaning up, Constanza? Okay, ready, Cons? Okay, so now it's time to say goodbye, and I will see you on Monday, okay? Goodbye, Constanza. See you on Monday. Let's dance together.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. I can
clap my hands.
I can
I can step my feet. Stamp.
I can
I can clap my hands.
I can stamp my feet.
Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Bye
Bye-bye. Goodbye.
bye bye.
Goodbye.
Bye 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 bye. Goodbye.
Clap.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Constanza. See you on Monday. Bye, Ricardo. See you on Monday. Bye. Bye, Cons. See you on Monday. Bye-bye. Have a nice weekend.
Baby, hace más de 10 minutos. ¿Ves?